Oh no. Oh no.
What did I just do?
We just shipped out a few books, accountability journals, and success journals for our clients that got started, along with learning how to use a self-service maneuver thing, kiosk, at the mail. All right, ready? Let's go.
Can you tell we're from Florida? It doesn't happen in Florida.
What doesn't happen in Florida?
This cold.
This? Oh no.
This cold does
But
not
you know,
happen in Florida.
In Florida it would be.
Or Thailand.
In Florida it would be like rainstorm randomly, a little hurricane, tornado. Whew, that was great.
Where are we going?
All for the customer and the clients, right?
All for the clients, the customers. We love you.
Where are you heading now? Did you just drop it off?
We're going to, where are we going?
HEB.
HEB.
Here in Austin, it's called HEB. In Florida, it's really Publix. So we're going to the supermarket to get some stuff for the office. Almonds or raisins?
Okay, great. How are you?
Great. How you doing?
I'm great. Word of mouth, okay, it can last for a couple of months, but then, of course, you need to have more access to the social media. So far, I don't have any defined strategy.
Do you have like a goal of how many people you would like to work with on a monthly basis?
Yes, like let's say like in a monthly basis, if I have like a 20, let's say 20 meetings per week.
So with where you're at right now, it seems like you just need a clear strategy that you can use through Instagram to actually convert more clients that you would actually do on your own. You don't need a team right now. You need the strategy that you can implement on your own, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
To scale and supercharge your business through Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. It's a guide. So it's a step-by-step guide that's going to show you, because we've built, I don't know if you looked at our story, but we've built our entire business through getting clients through Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, right? So there's a certain strategy that's behind it, and it's a very simplified strategy, but there's a lot of different steps that you would want to implement, because it's not just about your followers. You have great content, and that's awesome. Right? With the followers you already have, with the content you're already posting, if you just take the step-by-step guide and start implementing it, you're going to increase obviously more calls, and you're going to increase more clients, because the more calls you have, right, would you agree, the more clients that you can actually convert, right? So literally that step-by-step guide is literally a one-time investment of $147. It's one time. You get the tutorials. We show you how to find your ideal client through Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. How to, once you find them, how to connect with them and cut through all the noise. And then how to actually get your calls booked. So literally those are the steps that actually you want to implement so you can convert more clients.
So to be honest with you, Vanessa, the reason I kind of followed through our conversation is because I found your approach quite simple, personalized, and I was curious to see a bit more, you know.
What I could do for you, and I'll tell you what, you know, if you actually get the guide right now today, I will allow you.
Now you create the urgency to buy. I understand that.
Well, yeah, I mean, I want you to have success, so if that's what you're looking for, I can do that for you.
Okay. I'm very intrigued. I don't want to hide it. just don't know if it's exactly the right time for me right now. I know that this is the excuse you get from people that when they're not ready. I think I've worked in sales. I know the steps, you know. I just, you know, like 2 weeks ago, I wouldn't have thought of investing in something like that.
This strategy, I understand where you're coming. This strategy got me out of my home with my parents. I swear on everything. I was living at my parents' home, and Isabel was living at her parents' home. And this is the strategy that got us out of our parents' home. And now we're at like a penthouse here in Austin, Texas. So what I'm saying is like, I'm only sharing this because what you're sharing with me, as far as like, I know I'm doing a disservice if you don't get started with this. You know what I mean? Because I'm so confident in the strategy because of what it's done, not only for our lives and our business, but for so many people's lives that we work with, you know? And it's $147. You're gonna have an awesome dinner with wine for $147, right?
Do you think you can give, because here it's still night, how long can I think about it?
It's not a complicated strategy, but there's a lot of little steps in there that are really going to shortcut the process of, you don't have to test it out. You know, you don't have to, let me see if it works. Let me see if it doesn't work, you know? This is literally proven. Now it's just up to you to implement it.
You know what? Yeah, let's give it a try. I think it gives me some extra boost for the next month, and I'm happy to try it out. I think it's a good step for me at the moment. I don't know. I feel it. I don't have as many proof. Maybe I would live as a very, very rational, let's say, heartless person. But at the moment, I think it would be a nice step for me.
You're funny. No, yeah, I'm
That's
totally.
why you should have me in other conference calls. I can be the funny person.
So let's get you rocking and rolling. So do you have your Visa or MasterCard that you want to use?
For your precious time.
Absolutely.
And looking forward to putting everything in place and making it work the way you suggest.
Absolutely, and I look forward to hearing your results and seeing you on the call as well. And if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to email us.
Thank you. Have a great afternoon.
For sure. Good night. Take care, Christina.
Bye, Vanessa. Thanks.
Bye.
With that type of personality, she's gonna kill it.
Yeah, she should.
So how'd it go?
It was good. We made it happen. See, some tough, hard questions, but it was good. You know, and where the pressure can come in, and people appreciate it. You know, even though sometimes you're like, they're telling you what they want. You find what it is that you can offer that is in alignment to that, and just being able to really, you know, just have your good intentions involved in it. Because I know if she did not get started in that, she's not going to have success in her business, right? So like, it would be a disservice of me not to say, well, like, remind her or be that person to be like, hey, like, when you love somebody and you know something's good for them, you pressure them a little bit to say, hey, this is good for you, right? So I think just having that attitude and laughing as well, you know, lightens up the conversation, and it doesn't have to be so serious. But yeah, excited for her, and let's keep it moving.
Find time. You know, you can take time as it is. So if we're getting this done, getting the meals done, what are you also accomplishing at the same time?
Well, it's been an awesome day. Glad you were able to spend a little bit of it with us. We're off to the gym in an hour and a half. You may or may not be able to see us, but I hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care. Make it happen. All right. So We're gonna quickly change and then head to El Gimnasio.